Yeah, it's 5 in the morning.
Oh no.
And we're ready in our like swimming stuff.
I think we're gonna go grab some breakfast first, and then we're gonna head to the ferry or boat or whatever.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Alona, get on a boat, and go to Balicasag Island or the Virgin
Island. That's gonna be happening, or they're gonna have sandbar, so
it's gonna be cool.
we'll see.
Let's go! See you there! What are you eating, baby?
The breakfast will tell us what hard-boiled eggs, some sausage and rice, the original Philippine breakfast.
I got some bananas. This sand is nice. Careful for glass
Seashell?
though.
Don't know. Next question.
Okay. Hey, where are we? What are you doing?
We're in Amanada.
Is it?
I think.
Something like that.
I'm gonna just get some drone shots and we'll go from there.
Yo, these are the perfect skipping rocks though.
Okay, so we're about to fly the drone. But isn't it so pretty? And it's still early in the morning, so the sun is still rising. Good day, good day.
Good day, Mike.
Oh my god.
Recording though, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where is it?
It's coming back to us.
They were getting it. It was attacking
That is
birds.
so funny. Legit was fighting with the birds.
Ah.
So we're headed towards the boat right over there. Right, baby?
Yes.
We're walking towards where the box jellyfish gets us. Oh, that got deeper.
And that's
Ooh, yeah. Hello.
Hello.
If this is my last
still
days here,
Said I died happy.
I died happy. But I'm here. I'm living life. Yeah. Let's go. What? What is he doing?
You're a caterer. You're a caterer.
Shyler!
Oh my gosh, Shyler, look at the food.
The food. That's funny. Just walking.
Show them the boat.
Let me.
Box jelly.
Oh no! They're invisible.
Spiders over by the bathroom.
What?
That thing was huge.
I better be in your vlogging. Welcome to Bohol.
Wow, the sand is perfect.
I know. It's like,
I don't
where's
need shoes.
right? But just in case.
You sure the dry bag?
Oh, that's so nice.
Dude,
The
that's some nice
seafloor is
sand.
nice. Oh, oh, be careful,
Look,
guys.
that sand is so good.
Yeah, the sand is very
did you
fine. How do we get up there? Stop! Oh, Kuya, that's gonna get the what do you call it?
It's dripping.
That's oil spill! That's an oil spill!
We're gonna get into trouble.
Take that, Peter.
Thanks to BP.
We're sorry.
Kuya, why don't you hand it over? Oh, where are they going?
Oh no!
Wait, hand it over.
Oh, we're going.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that feels so weird.
Ay.
strawberries. I feel seaweed.
Ew.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa, hold on.
No. Be careful.
Uy, nanay, nabataan ako.
Woo! It is going backwards.
For the biscuit.
Grab it.
Woo! We're on. Here, baby. We're on. Yay! We're on.
Look. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the fit is fun.
Yes.
Candidate number 1 is from USA. Yeah.
Okay, and then say something, May. Yeah, where are we going? Okay. Ah, off to Balicasag. Woo!
Dolphin watching.
Virgin Islands. Where else?
We're going Isola de Francisco Island.
Woo!
Okay.
Wait, hold on. So we have to wear life jackets.
Life jacket because it's required. I don't know what this is, like America or something.
I don't know. Babe, it's for our safety.
You're right.
We go out. We go out, right, Charlie? We go out like a light. Oh no.
With the jackfruit. Rice.
Oh really?
That's good. I like it.
Is there jackfruit in it though? Or is it just rice?
I think it's jackfruit, or if it's the same one as Cambodia.
Oh.
Right here! It's right in front of us!
I know, there's some in front of
Here.
Oh my god, there's so many!
Dolphins! Oh my god, there's a lot of them!
They're right here.
Oh! This is crazy! That's crazy, it's right under us!
Oh my god.
There it is, there's a whole bunch of them!
Many of them.
There's a whole bunch of them!
There's so many of them.
Whoa! That's crazy!
Oh my god. Huh?
Yeah, right, and they just
Hey, that was pretty good.
Yeah,
we got it. Yeah.
So, did you get bit? Huh? Oh my god. So, we just saw dolphins.
Then now we're heading to where are we going? Oh,
Balicasag. Balicasag.
It's an island, and we're gonna go swimming, snorkeling. What else?
I don't know. Oh, in the Virgin Islands?
Yeah. So we're gonna go swim.
I don't know. So we made it to Balicasag, and now we're trying to get off the boat. Bless you. The color
You can
is
see the reef and
amazing.
stuff down there.
I know. The color's amazing. I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice.
I know. Doesn't look real.
I know.
Alright, looks like we gotta walk from
Look at that. So I was just in the water, in the deep end, and my GoPro fell. I was trying to grab it. It was on my lap for a quick second, but then when I was scrambling to grab it, I had a snorkeling on the other hand, and then I guess the mask part detached from the nose, so I lost both the snorkeling mask and my GoPro with all the footage is in there. So we'll try to get some footage from other people on the boat here and try to get something for you guys. So
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
that's okay, you know.
I feel like I was the one who persuaded you to bring it.
No, I grabbed the mask from Shy, so that's...
I know, but I persuaded you to bring your GoPro.
That's
I was
okay.
like, babe, it's gonna be so good, and it was beautiful. Yeah, you know I will, babe. I'll pay for it. I have $10. I have $1,000 US. I I mean, 1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos?
Is that
Gonna give a reward.
That's okay. We're alive. We're alive. Yeah, we're healthy. We're good. That's all that matters.
If there's scuba divers, they can get it.
Oh, but that deep end, I don't know how far that
That's
is.
400 meters.
I think.
Oh no, I don't think it's worth it to. Well, it's not. I don't think it's broken.
I think it is broke because how many meters is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Look, it's a beautiful mermaid.
So we just made it to Virgin Island. The sandbar is over that side. Just gonna go visit. There's quite a few people here right now. How do you feel? We're gonna risk our camera. I already lost my GoPro, so
So we got one more to go.
yeah. Okay, so we just got in the water. We're gonna walk towards the sand beach.
I wish I had sand shoes.
Yeah, no, your shoes aren't very grippy.
There's no secret thing here. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, there isn't. It's a tourist spot. They would take it out if anybody see. How you feeling?
I'm good. Are there sea snakes?
Right there.
Stop it, baby. I should have like not. Oh, what is that? What is that?
That's just seaweed.
Stop it, baby. My
Here, you want to switch shoes?
paranoid ass. No, baby.
So we're just out in the middle of the sea right now, walking. We're just gods.
I know.
We're living.
The water's
Look, it's
so
look.
warm.
It's sand now. It's all sand now.
Oh, hello,
Whoa.
hello.
It's all just sand now, you guys.
Water.
Look, there's a starfish right there.
Really?
They got some food cooking over there, so you can buy some food if you wanted to.
Oh, it is all sand now.
Yeah. Oh, look, we're in shallow water, ankle height. Oh no, thank you.
Oh no, thank you.
Why do I feel sand all over my
Because there is sand all over our feet.
Why?
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. I look like an ugly ass mermaid because that's what's happened. Humidity, the air, the water.
Look, they're just sailing right there. That's so cool.
Huh?
In the middle.
Oh, I know.
Look at that. If you ever come over here, we're at Virgin Island, Philippines, Bohol.
Not the U.S. Virgin Islands. Virgin Islands, Bohol.
So, selling some stick kebab over there.
Oh, look, that one's fighting.
We're getting closer to the sandbar, or actual sand. You see that?
Yeah.
It's another one.
Lots of new experiences. Even for me too. I've never been to the sandbar.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, we're almost on to the actual
Oh,
island.
no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
And we made it.
And we made
Look at
it.
that. Just the sand in the middle of the ocean. That is crazy. Never seen anything like this.
And there's another one over there.
Yeah, I know. That one, the one that people were running
Yeah.
on. That's so cool. Welcome to the Philippines. It hurts my feet. Maybe I should just take off my shoes.
No, that's gonna hurt more too, baby. But oh my
it's
god.
rubbing.
But if you guys come here, the water feels like you're in a bathtub.
Just pretty nice.
Yeah. The water is so warm.
And the sand is so
Be
soft.
careful because you never know during the time you go if it's warm and shallow waters. Box jellyfish.
You're just paranoid
I
at this
know.
point. I think it's easier to like that. I know. They're all clustered over there.
You wanna play chicken, Shad? Back, bitch!
Uh-oh, comes the bull.
But it's great.
It's
And the
great.
thing is, right now it's rainy season, and so it is slightly sprinkling, but it just makes the experience better just because it's not 90 degrees out, burning your skin. Oh, moving. Oh. Ah. Patay. Action shot. Intense.
See, mantis, this one. And this is the urchin.
What does the inside even taste like?
Ooh, we'll find out.
Take a video.
Charlie wants to
watch how they prepare them.
Uy, di ka matusok mo yan, no?
Ay, hindi makatusok ng
Swaki?
Ma'am.
Ang sea urchin may
Yeah.
Kani orange.
She has
Does it hurt?
no.
The big one, don't hold it,
But the black one?
Yeah, those ones are spicy.
Kapaskel sa no? Pampakusog sa tuhod.
Everyday morning wood.
Chan, you should try one.
Oh, I'm good. I'll pass.
Mga seaweeds. Ano man?
What is it?
Cucumber.
Cucumber?
But it's from the sea, though. Lian, you can eat the cucumber.
They're moving, man.
Octopus. Oh.
Octopus? Baby octopus?
Could you eat a moving? Go, Chan! You trying it, Kuya?
I don't really like raw food in general.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Oh my.
How is it, Chai?
May suka. May suka
What
ba?
does it taste like? Is it like crab or what? Like the crab brain?
What does it taste like?
Tastes like
Seahorse.
milk.
You like it?
Wait, chicharo.
Let me.
Chicharo?
No?
It tastes like lemon.
Yeah, it's good.
I think.
I think you did. Yeah, you didn't get any of the flesh.
Yeah.
I'll eat it.
Wait, hold on. I need better lighting. Oh! How is it?
Tastes like
Has an interesting texture. It's,
mucus.
I mean,
with
yeah, it's not bad.
vinegar and chili.
So out of 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10 of yeah, kind of like oyster and like crab brain or the crab.
So 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, I will give it a 6.
Fair enough, don't.
Go, look at the camera. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What's moving?
It's like a seaweed jellyfish.
I know, it looks like seaweed.
It's totally harmless.
Just made it back to Kang Lao. I don't think we ended up going to the third island, but everybody was exhausted. I'm exhausted. Can't wait to get back in the van. I'm just
I know.
salty, all of the above. So
Yeah, we're just getting off the boat soon.
yeah.
Okay.